Hi everyone, and welcome to 1001 MSc Chemistry of Biological Systems 1. My name is Dr. Abdullah Karakshi, and I am the course convener. As the course convener, I have the role to lead and coordinate the course for you. This course is delivered in the second semester to allow increased flexibility in foundation year. Some students may be enrolled for academic recovery reasons, and some students will be brand new to foundation year in the mid-year intake. Either way, it is very exciting as this course will be delivered in mixed mode. Mixed mode means there are no face-to-face lectures, as all your lectures are pre-recorded and uploaded at Learning at Griffith, so you can access them at your convenience. However, we understand that face-to-face contact is vital to successful student engagement and learning, so we have designed compulsory on-campus tutorial and laboratory sessions to consolidate online content. The course will run for a full 12 weeks. The lectures are divided into mini recordings with approximate length of 20 minutes, some shorter and some a little longer. You are only required to attend one tutorial session per week that will run for approximately 2 hours. You are also required to attend 6 laboratory sessions during the semester. So, what resources do you need for this course? You will need the following resources. First, the textbook, Introduction to General Organic and Biochemistry, 11th edition by Hein. You will use the same textbook in the next semester for Chemistry 2. You can also use earlier editions as they are very similar. The only change that you might notice is the page numbers for some chapters. The textbook has a set of questions after each chapter, and these are very important to practice the concepts that you learn in lectures. I have provided a sheet that contains the questions relevant for each module in Learning at Griffith, and I encourage you all to practice those questions. In conjunction with the textbook, I have prepared lecture note, which contains most of the slides from the online lectures in a printed and bound format. You can use it to take notes as you watch the online recording and as a revision tool before assessments. The laboratory manual, which is created to give you guidance during the experiments and offer you the opportunity to record your results and notes from the lab session. And finally, the tutorial workbook. This is a very important component of this course, where I have included revision slides for the key points and concepts from each module, and then a set of questions to practice the concepts that you learned. You will need to answer the questions related to each module before attending the tutorial session. I highly recommend using this workbook as a revision summary prior to exams. Now, let's talk a bit more about the structure of the course and my expectations. As I mentioned earlier, the course runs for the full 12 weeks of the semester. The course is divided into 11 modules, and each module contains the pre-recorded mini lectures. One module is covered each week, except module 9 will be covered over 2 weeks. In Learning at Griffith, you will see the proposed timeline for studying each module. You are expected to follow the timeline to keep on track with the course and tutorial sessions. So, my first expectation is that you watch the pre-recorded mini lectures for the designated module each week. There is an online quiz after each module. You will need to complete the quiz before coming into the tutorial session. The purpose of these online quizzes is to check your understanding after you watch the lecture and help you identify any concepts that you need further support in. So my second expectation is that you undertake the online quiz and reflect on the points that you need more support in each week. My third expectation is that you solve the questions in the textbook and workbook related for the module covered in that week. My fourth expectation is that you attend the tutorial session and engage with your peers and the tutors. You participate in the activities and discussion and ask as many questions and clarifications as you wish. My fifth expectation is that you attend all 6 laboratory sessions and engage in the experiments. Expectation 6, you be organized and motivated and keep track with your study. My final expectation is that you talk to me if you need any help or if you have any problem. I can only help you if you tell me. In terms of the course assessment tasks, to pass the course you need to sit every assessment item. In a nutshell, this course contains the following assessment items: online quizzes, workbook, 3 lab quizzes, mid-semester exam, course quiz, and end-of-semester exam. I have provided detailed description on the assessment task in a separate video that you can find in Learning at Griffith under the Assessment tab. For the lab sessions, you need to wear appropriate personal protective equipment, which include a lab coat, safety glasses, and enclosed shoes. You also need to undertake the health and safety training before attending the first lab session. In terms of communication, please do not hesitate to contact me whenever you have a question or an issue. You can talk to me in person during the tutorial session or lab session. Alternatively, you can send me an email or request to book a consultation time in my office. I have also created a Facebook group for the course, and I encourage you all to join. The link for the Facebook group is provided in Learning at Griffith. The purpose for this group is to create a learning community where you guys help each other in a safe and friendly environment. All official announcements will be sent through Learning at Griffith and posted in the Facebook group. I am really looking forward to meeting you all in the tutorial sessions. It is so important that we will have this time together to clarify your questions, to learn from each other, and discuss any concerns. This is where we get to have fun, engage, and consolidate your learning. Finally, remember, the online lectures allow you the flexibility to revisit course content at any time for revision. Thank you for listening, and I will see you all soon.